Reviewing and sending a customer invoice. Here's load 123. Status is completed. Truxo has already generated the customer invoice automatically. Open Invoice 123. You can see the customer, Pepsi Beverages Company, along with the invoice status, pricing details, and payment record. Click to review the attached documents, rate confirmation, BOL, or POD. Once everything looks good, approve the invoice, generate it, and send it to the customer. Now let's group multiple loads into one invoice. Here are Pepsi's completed loads. On the Customer Invoices page, select invoices 116, 115, 110, and 109 for Pepsi Beverages Company and group them. You can now see the grouped invoice with all 4 loads. Click the drop-down on any load to review its individual details, route, dates, and pricing. After reviewing, click Generate Invoice, and one clean invoice goes out for all 4 loads.